Linis?
Kiss na kasi malinis.
Malinis na. Kiss mo na. Good morning, guys!
Okay, tigaan mo.
Oh, yan. Nakalim the table, ah.
Dito, may next customer pa.
Oh, you missed a spot over there, anak. You missed a spot over here. Dito na kami sa Minesview Park. Ito si River and his outfit. His bear outfit. Oh, so handsome. Hi, baby. Hi. Look, what's your outfit for today? Care of Lola Eva. Oh, the bear outfit. Kasi matutulog na dapat siya. Tapos ako, ito suot ko. I'm wearing leggings and shoes. Tapos ito, madali pang ano to siya, pang breastfeed. Tapos meron lang akong jacket na kapal. And I'm wearing his, ano yun, diaper bag. Minesview Park. Ayan yung entrance. And picturean natin yung kanilang taho. Eh, strawberry. Okay lang.
Tayo nito.
Ikaw talaga? Ay, thank you. Tatry ko pa. Strawberry taho. Oh, ayun o, may real strawberry. Sarap ba, Rafa? Yun.
First time ni Rafa.
First time nag-strawberry taho. Ano lasa po? Ano lasa po? Nakasimang. Kaya kakaiba? Yeah! Taste it. Don't touch it. Taste it lang.
Hindi niya pa mahigop masyadong mahaba.
Oh, hindi marunong.
Hindi mo na lang sa baso.
Okay, sige, sige. Happy birthday!
Thank you!
Wait lang, kakanta pa kami. Huwag mo muna i-blow. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you!
Wish you can wish. Yay! Gusto niya rin mag-blow. Hey guys! Nakauwi na kami sa bahay pala. So kanina from Wright Park, pumunta muna kami sa Forest House Cafe. Kasi kumain kami ng cake doon. Kasi send ko na lang yung picture dito kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Tapos ngayon, dinner time na. It's time to eat. We're gonna eat.
Oo, masarap yan.
Wow! Christmas party! Yes. Oh, ayan. Tapos may no smoking. Oh, salad. Bongga. Salad din to. Ay, broccoli, chop suey, pancit Mickey. Bongga. Happy birthday / Christmas party. Cheers.
Strawberry.
Bitter siya. Ano to? Stout? Stout?
Yes, stout juicy.
Yung isa, Imperial. Ano yun? Imperial.
Masarap yun.
Mahilig ako sa dark beer eh.
Masarap ba yun?
Yung dark beer bitter siya.
Try ko nga yung dark beer. Yung parang sa kanina.
Stout. Mas masarap yung stout kasi sa Kraken.
Thank you.
Dati hindi ka naman iinom.
Strawberry beer.
Ay, masarap. Masarap siya, pang ladies. Hey guys, so nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon. Nagkwentuhan lang kami and we had like 1 beer each and umuwi na rin kami kasi #adulting. Ganon. We didn't want to get really drunk. So, we just wanted to try the place. So, ayun. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's gonna be late kasi hindi ako makapag-upload dito sa Baguio. Ang hina-hina ng upload speed. So, ayun. I think I'm gonna upload once I'm back in Manila. So, I hope that, yun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Nakita niyo yung crafts. Baguio Craft Brewery. Maganda naman siya. Para siyang rooftop na merong mga salamin. Enclosed na mga plastic salamin. And nag-enjoy kami, ang daming tao kahit na it's a Tuesday today. So, that's it guys. I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet already for good vibes. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!